Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oluchi here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Paula'S Choice 2% liquid exfoliant. So basically this is a salicylic acid exfoliator. It's the type that you would leave on your skin. You don't need to wash it off. To be honest, I've been seeing the advert all the time. Like, it keeps popping up on my feed. Basically whenever I turn on YouTube, I'll just see it and I'm like, is that a sign you guys really want me to try this out? And besides that, I've been hearing nice stuff about it and said, okay, let me buy it and see what it's all about and test it and see if it's truly what it claims to be and if it's what the hype. I did purchase the little one actually because it comes in two sizes if I'm correct. It comes in the 30 ml and then the bigger one, and the 30 ml cost £9. I was like, it would be nice to purchase that one and try instead of buying the big bottle and maybe eventually regretting it, and it would be such a waste. So I decided to go for the little one, which cost £9, and I didn't have to pay for deliveries. That was even the main reason why I got it. I've actually used an entire bottle of this, of the 30 ml, and I purchased another one. So I've actually exhausted this bottle. If you'd like to hear my experience and know what I really think about it, if it's worth it, who I feel it's suitable for, and if I actually think it's worth the hype, keep on watching and let's get straight into. So this is a leave-on liquid exfoliant. Basically, you don't need to rinse it off or wash it out. So what it does is that it gently takes off dead skin cells, revealing softer and younger looking skin. So this helps reduce blemishes, it helps reduce blackheads, it hydrates. So basically it's hydrating, and then it contains antioxidants which help to fight signs of aging. These are all the things that this claims to do. Like I said, it's a liquid exfoliant and it's a BHA. So BHA, which is also known as salicylic acid, and from the term acid, some of us would be like, oh, is it corrosive and all whatnot? It's actually not corrosive. BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid, and it works by lifting off dead skin cells from the skin surface. Because the thing is, the skin always regenerates and thereby there'll be accumulation of dead skin cells. So with this salicylic acid, it helps to basically lift off the dead skin cells, because if the dead skin cells are not taken off, our skin will be dull, and you can imagine what it will look like when maybe you have a dirty car covered in dust and dirt. The car will never be shiny, the car will never be, attractive. However, when you wash the car properly, the car comes out, shining and gleaming. That's the same thing applies to our skin, because our skin cells are constantly regenerating. So the dead skin cell will keep accumulating, and if it's not taken off properly, our skin will certainly be dull. Then we'll have like blemishes because our pores will certainly be clogged as well. So in order to get rid of all these dead skin cells, salicylic acid is a very good option, a very good product to use, because it will gently take off the dead skin cells, and that's what this claims to do. And to be honest, like, I have put this to test. The very first time I used it, I did see a big difference. Like, my skin was glowing, no jokes at all, like no jokes. And somehow, I don't know, somewhere in my head I was expecting it to sting. It did not sting at all, because my face is slightly sensitive. I've got combination skin and my skin is slightly sensitive. It didn't sting at all. It's just amazing, and it's particularly suitable for people with normal to oily skin. Like I said, I've got oily skin, so if you've got normal to oily skin, this will be a very good option for you. And then it really helps to unclog pores, because remember that I said that if we constantly have dead skin cells, it needs to be gotten rid of. It does help to unclog pores because it is oil soluble, so it will get into the pores and get off all those dirt and grime and all those nasty things. You can use it on the face and on the body. I mean, if you've got like acne, maybe you have acne on your chest or your back, or acne prone skin, you certainly can use it on all those areas. It would definitely help. Like, I can tell you this for sure. Ever since I started using it, I noticed a big difference, no jokes. I like that my skin even glows more, especially as soon as I'm done using it, my skin will just be something else. I remember the other day, my sister called me, she was like, why does the skin look like that? It's just glowing so much. I'm like, oh, I just exfoliated. I used the Paula'S Choice BHA. This is not an advert. This is, I'm being very honest with you guys. This is an essential product, if you ask me, especially if you have dull skin and then you want your skin to glow, and again you have like congested skin and all whatnot, blackheads and everything. It would help to alleviate it. This is actually not a treatment, so it's not like it will help or treat your acne and get rid of your acne. Instead, it would help alleviate your problem, especially if you have really oily skin or like combination skin. It will totally work. Then if you're sensitive as well, this should, you want to be careful, because I don't know how you react to it, but I believe it should be suitable for people with sensitive skin. But if your skin is extra sensitive, you might want to be very careful about it. But it claims to contain soothing properties for sensitive skin, so that's why I believe that if you have sensitive skin, it might just work for you. I really don't know what I would say about people who have dry skin. I don't think I would really recommend it, or maybe if you've got dry skin, you can use it occasionally, maybe like I said, occasionally, maybe once a week or once in 2 weeks, but be sure to carry out a patch test to, you know, avoid stories that touch the heart. But if you have oily skin, go on, use it. For the directions, it states once or twice daily, apply on the face and neck, do not rinse. For daytime, always follow with sunscreen. And yes, I always say it, if you're frequent on my channel, you know that I always preach about SPF. Yes, I'm really dark skinned, and people think that, oh, if you're dark skinned, you don't need sunscreen. You need SPF, you need sunscreen. If you're using this product, you certainly do need sunscreen, because this product will make you photosensitive. So if you use this product without using SPF, you might be causing your face more harm than good. It is a product that I would highly recommend, like for real. I'll highly recommend it. The way it lifts off dead skin cells. Sometimes when I wipe my face, I'll look at it, you just see dead skin cells for real. I can tell you that for sure, because since I started using this, to be honest, I haven't really had any, you know, major skin concerns. I mean, like maybe breakouts or whatever. Maybe I'm not saying it's just because of this alone, probably because of my skincare regimen. The moment I added this, like, things changed. I could totally see the difference. And yes, I don't think I would stop using this anytime soon. To be honest, this is, at the moment, is my current favorite exfoliator. I'll certainly choose the salicylic acid exfoliator over, you know, the physical exfoliators, those like apricot scrubs and co, because this one, like, the difference, when I see the difference, like, I'm not against the physical exfoliators, even though a lot of people preach against it, but personally I'm not against it. But the moment I tried this, like, the difference was just 7 up. I said, I'm sticking to this one. Physical exfoliator, bye. Maybe I can use that on my body, but no longer, I'll not use it on my face, because man, the difference is clear. Here it states you can use it twice daily. I wouldn't really recommend you using it 2 times a day, because this is, I mean, you don't want to over exfoliate your skin, because I mean, too much of everything is bad, and then you want to work your way up. So I use this maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and that works for me. I never use it daily. Talk more of using it like 2 times a day. For them to say that you can use it day and night, maybe it's that, I wouldn't recommend it basically. So especially if you're starting it for the first time, to use it twice a day or to even use it every day, something you should space out. You see how it goes. So if you're really considering getting an exfoliator, if you're confused, you don't know what exfoliator to get, I'll advise you to jump on this. Yes, so I believe that's all I have about this exfoliator. If you're considering buying it, do jump on it. It is absolutely worth it. It is totally worth it. It is a game changer. So yes, with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you already used this, let me know your experience and all that. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.